You can see the mood court behind me. And we have sir also. So sir will guide you better way importance of the mood court. Yes, sir. Hi guys, today's topic is very different and very special because today we'll talk about law. All time we talk about the entrance preparation, CET preparation, how to crack examination, how to prepare for the CET. But today we'll talk about what are the career you can make after pursuing law, what are the career options you can get after pursuing law, how you can get into the law colleges. And today we are in JCCL, Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, which is in Mumbai, Vileparla, and we have a faculty of JCCL College.
I'm an advocate. My name is S.V. Rajadhyaksha and I am a visiting faculty with Jitendra Chauhan Law College for the last 24 years.
Okay, so my first question is law is very difficult course to pursue?
Absolutely not. That for the students of law today, sky is the limit. The more you learn, the more you will get the knowledge. And as Francis Bacon has said, your knowledge is your power.
Next question is, what is the difference between lawyer and advocate?
A lawyer, once one passes off his LLB degree, we generally call him as a lawyer. But an advocate is the person who actually practices, for which they will have to get a sanad from their respective states. And nowadays, after 2010, our Bar Council of India have started, even after passing out the LLB, the students will have to appear for the test at All India test conducted by Bar Council and they get the sanad.
Okay.
That is a license to practice law.
Okay.
And these lawyer and advocate's words are used interchangeably.
Okay. Which course is better? Law 5 years after 12th or law 3 years after graduation?
As far as the 5 years course after 12, it is an integrated course. In the sense, in the first 2 years, the students learn what is we call as the pre-law. All the subjects related, we cannot learn the law in isolation. It has to be related with sociology, with psychology, with logic, with I can say history, economics. So different subjects have to be dealt with because these subjects have a close relation with law. And I believe that in the law there is little of law and more of logic. We should use our common sense, which is very uncommon thing.
Okay. Common sense, which is very uncommon. Very interesting.
Very uncommon.
Yes.
As far as the 3-year law course is concerned, the students come after the graduation and hence they are more little mature but then 5-year course people are throughout the day are doing only law. And generally I find that 3-year law course, because they have become a graduate, they have to start earning something. So this is the way side by side they do. And even the 3-year LLB course students, I find they do CA, CS, ICWA simultaneously.
Okay. So which one is better?
Both have got their pros and cons. Here they do it only the LLB course, whereas they do simultaneously they get added knowledge of CACS. But here because they have been doing that course of 12 years being integrated course, they can correlate with all other subjects which I just now quoted.
Right. In addition to this, they save 1 year, right? Because 3 years.
Yes. After graduation, they do 3-year course, but after 12th if you go, it's a 5 years integrated course. In the process, the students save 1 year.
Right.
And they get degree, LLB degree after 5 years. Here they get after 3 years.
Okay. So next question is those who are planning to join JCCL after their CET score. So my next question is why one should join Jitendra Chauhan College of Law?
First thing, let me tell you for the infrastructure that our management has provided. Our management, that is SVKMs, Velepalli Kelavni Mandal, has given us the fantastic infrastructure. All the classrooms are AC. We have got smart boards. We have got the computer lab where nearly 40-50 desktops are there. The students can do the research over there by sitting. And the library is open right away from 8 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock in the night.
Okay.
So for 13 hours, students can do the research by sitting in the library. And we have got the books. As Dr. Ambedkar said, Article 32 is the heart and soul of the Constitution. To my mind, for any law college, library is the heart and soul of that college. And we have got the reports, the decisions given by even by Privy Council right away from the year 1914, that is more than 100 years. And we have got that books. Not only that, we have got for general reading also, we have got many books in our library. For example, if I have to go, we can go for Roses in December of Justice Chagla, or Learning the Law by Williams. So all those authors' books are in our library.
Okay. Okay. So next question, what preparation one must do before pursuing law?
Nowadays, from 2016, the government has brought the CET. And that is for CET, the students have to prepare. They should find out what previous year's papers have come. Because to my mind, they see the English language. They also see the logical reasoning. They sometimes ask for the little of maths. So people should have, and if they want to keep their update, then they must read the newspapers daily. Even the judgments, what are the recent judgments given by the Supreme Court, which becomes a law for this country, one must go through them minutely before appearing for exam.
Okay. And the last questions are what career option available after law?
There are many options are available. But today I find the students are more interested in going the corporate. Because at the very start, they start earning. But there are many options that are available. If you have the passions, nothing more than passionate is about teaching. You can go for teaching. You can also go for practice. Not only in civil and criminal, there are so many laws today. You can go for advertisement, you can go for media law, you can go for cyber law, you can go for ADR or arbitration is upcoming field. IPR, intellectual property rights, is another field which is coming up. Mediation, you can be a good mediator also.
Okay.
So and I believe to the younger generation, when they want to enter into the profession, I still believe that for first few years you will not earn anything. Be mentally prepared for that you are not going to earn anything. The next stage will come when you will start earning in the amount of efforts you put in. And the last stage will come, even if you don't work, money will come to you. And when the people go into the corporate, they retire at the 65 and they say, what we can do now? But for our profession, even at the age of 90, advocates are arguing the matters. And I will give you the example of the legendary Ram Jethmalani, who was arguing the matter before Supreme Court even after crossing the age of 90. We must look after to such Soli Sorabji. At what age they were standing in for hours together in the Supreme Court and arguing the matter. You must read the books of Nani Palkhiwala, Constitution Defaced and Defiled, but only for the language that he has used in that book. You must read not related to only law, but all other books also. Only then you will prosper in this profession.
Hi guys, right now I am in the moot court of Jitendra Chauhan College of Law. You can see the moot court behind me. And we have sir also. So sir will guide you better way importance of the moot court. Yes sir.
Moot court is basically will create a confidence in you. And it is not only the intra-collegiate but inter-collegiate. From our college, we send the students across the country to different destinations, and you can take part into the moot court competitions. Rather, there is a very, I can say, throat cut competition for the students who want to be participant as a speaker, as a researcher for the, and in the moot court competition. Rather, researcher is the backbone of any moot court competition. The more the research he does, the more the points on law he gets, and the speakers will be able to convince the judge. It is said that if you cannot convince the judge, confuse him, but never do that. Okay, try to be persuasive rather more than aggressive. Aggressiveness will not pay rich dividends in the long run. As far as our college is concerned, we have also a model parliament, and I am very proud to say that we have the National Law Festival every year, the Law Trist, and the Jitendra Chauhan College of Law is the first college in India to start the Law Festival. We are the pioneers for the Law Festival across the country.
My question is, what this law festival includes?
It includes many things. It includes the competition, various competitions. This year we have done with the carnival also.
Okay.
And in addition to that, we have got the moot court competition, model parliament, debate competition, elocution competition, treasure hunt.
Oh.
So people were running to find out where we are hiding. All those, and it is a fun. At the same time, it's a learning process. Through that, the tomorrow's leaders can be. We can get the tomorrow's leaders who can lead India.
Right.
So we are also, not it is only the law education that we give. We give all round development of that our students, and that is what is our aim. We want to, and for us the management is giving us full freedom to do, and I must thank our management that they don't interfere in our day-to-day activities. They are all supportive. Whenever we say we want to do this, they say go ahead. Even we take the students to the different police stations, to different courts, including the Supreme Court. And if we get the permission, we have the occasion of saying the parliament. Now, of course, yesterday only, Modi, our Prime Minister, has inaugurated the Central Vista, which I am eager to when we get the permission from the government.
So that's all guys in this session, and lots of such videos will keep on coming up. Apart from that, if you want to get into the JCCL, Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, you have to perform well in the CET examination. Ideally, cutoff goes around 100, sir?
Yes.
So ideally, 100 if you are scoring, you can get admission in JCCL for your 3 years program. That's all. Thank you. All the best.